So, you've been sharing your food photography online for a while now. Now it's time to get paid. Well, I'm in Paris to meet Laura, who's a professional food photographer, to guide us through choosing the right camera, the right settings, the right lenses to get the highest quality social media content. Let's go find out.
So my name is Laura. I'm a food photographer and content creator. And today we are going to learn a little bit more about food photography.
Amazing.
We are going to learn about batch content, to learn more about action shots, like movement picture.
Okay.
And finally, how to succeed in social media.
It all sounds like all the thing we need to do to step up our game and take it to the next level.
When you work for a client, you really need to think of the feed, and you can't have like the same table over and over again.
Right, I'm excited.
All right,
let's get started. So Laura, I'm loving this setup so far. To begin with, what camera are we going to be using for this one?
So today we are going to use the Canon EOS R6 Mark II.
Amazing.
We are going to use different kind of lenses. So first of all, we have the 50 millimeters, which is pretty nice to do focus, like to be inside the dish to see every details. And we have the 35 millimeters, which is more to take the whole table.
What about lighting?
So we are using natural light today, which is the best to get the best shot.
And when it comes to natural light, sitting by the window, how are you using colors and accessories to tell the story, to make sure that it comes across and is engaging?
I like when the pictures, it's not just dishes on the table and it's empty. When I see the picture, okay, I see myself at this table with those dishes, could be me. The
next thing really is we need to get into this, get some photos, and then I think I'll have some more questions for you then, and as we snap some shots.
For the action shot, basically, we need a good speed. So I think I will pick 1/400. And for the aperture, we need a number which is high also, because we need the French toast to be clear. All right, you ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3. Ah, yeah, that's a good one.
Oh,
that's a big one.
That is satisfying to look at. And how does the R6 allow you to capture that?
I'm using the high-speed continuous.
Okay, nice.
And it's really amazing when you want to do action shots.
We've done the action.
Yeah.
What other ones
so
are we doing?
when I see a table like this, I can take from flatly. We can do focus from each dishes, and then we can change props so we can have even more table to use. And
that answers my question, because each one's going to look different, even though it was the same day.
Yeah, it's a challenge,
angle, different detail.
So Tommy, you are going to work for me today. First of all, I'm going to give you this, and you are going to pretend that you cut the egg. All right. And now I want you to drink this juice. You look amazing.
Oh, wow. How'd you get inspired to do this?
I am spending a lot of time on Instagram. Maybe too much, but I like getting inspiration from people all over the world. For the first setup, we had a brunch. I think for the second one, we will go for lunch.
Okay.
So I will go maybe a little bit more with the newspaper.
Okay.
So I want to change the mood and put everything this way. Okay. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Yeah, perfect.
That looks delicious.
You can see how bright the space here. Yeah.
The eyes go straight to the
smell,
right?
So I really want the people to focus on the dish itself. We did the action shot earlier, so I think we will go for the flat lay, because with the flowers coming from different sides, so you can put here and here.
And then we're using the vari-angle screen again. Nice and
always.
Easy. How important is high quality social media content?
If I don't get the best light, I won't post. The quality is so important to me right now.
Thank you so much, Laura. It looks like the secret, if I can call it that, to creating high quality content for social media would be that to make sure if you liked, loads of planning, move things around, bear in mind your angles, and so much more as well. And I hope that everyone's learned from this one.
I think you're ready. You don't need me anymore.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Any other passing tips?
Always thinking about what you're going to post next, about being organized. So yeah, batch content, it's the key to succeed.
Well, thank you very much. And I hope everyone's taking notes at home, and we'll see you in the next one.